The nature of reality in 5 minutes. In the 19th century, people would have answered matter as the most fundamental reality, but in modern science, the answer to that question is fields and energy. The sun is round because of the gravitational field. Fields are what shape the natural order. Energy is what gives it actuality, change, underlies matter itself. The visible kind of reality we experience through our senses, fields and energy through our senses, is in fact pervaded by many invisible fields and energy, invisible connections. Visible kind of reality we experience through our senses, fields and energy through our senses, is in fact pervaded by many invisible fields and energy, invisible connections. Matter is regarded as frozen light, that it's light energy bound in fields, vibrating to give us matter as we know it. Now the big thing that's left out of this scientific picture is of course consciousness, and for materialists that is the hard problem. It's called the hard problem because if you say that reality consists of unconscious matter and that's all there is, then how do you explain the fact that humans are conscious? You can't. There's been a move towards a more panpsychist view of nature, saying that maybe there's some kind of consciousness even in electrons and atoms. The visible kind of reality we experience through our senses, fields and energy through our senses, is in fact pervaded by many invisible fields and energy, invisible connections. Visible kind of reality we experience through our senses, fields and energy through our senses, is in fact pervaded by many invisible fields and energy, invisible connections. Consciousness in human brains emerges. Consciousness pervades all matter, all the universe. That is an increasingly popular view, and but it still sees consciousness as sort of emerging, and it doesn't explain how the universe came into being in the first place, nor does it explain the creativity within the universe, nor does it explain the source of forms and matter and energy. I myself, as a Christian, see the ultimate reality as the Holy Trinity, an organic combination of a ground of consciousness. God the Father is the Logos. Breath, wind, or energy is the moving principle which gives actuality and activity to things. It's as short a summary as I can give.